Hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis, April 14, 2025. So in this video we're going to check about all the major currency pairs, Bitcoin, gold analysis. So let's see the market opportunities one by one. So before that, first we should have a check about the economic news. What are the major economic news is going to affect our markets? So Monday and Tuesday we don't have any kind of major news releases. On Wednesday, we have a Euro CPI and Canadian interest rate decision. So this will make a big impact on Euro and Canadian pairs. And on Thursday, we have again ECB interest rate decision. So where they are going to cut off the rate from 2.65% to 2.40%. So it means the euro might have chances to get weaker at the time temporarily. However, the USD is so weak. So if you look out euro and USD pair, euro USD is moving up continuously. So we can expect some correction over the news on ECB interest rate decision, which is going to be carried out on Thursday. Yeah. So majorly we have a news release on euro and USD. Nothing more than that. And Canadian currency pair have interest rate decision, which is BOC interest rate. So let's see the market opportunities next. So Euro USD and Pound USD. Pound USD is just trying to move up continuously. However, it's just trying to move up, but we didn't have much more confirmation. So let's wait and see. AUD USD have a lot of chances to reach the top. However, AUD USD is still moving up and down. So buying at the correction is good, but still this one looks like AUD have a lot of chances to break the high. It might have a chance to break the high and it can move up more. So pound USD, sorry, Australian USD is a good opportunity for buying Australian USD. So Australian USD is rebounding from the low, and New Zealand USD is also moving up continuously. Oh, New Zealand USD break the high. Wow, nice to see USD yen. USD yen is going to break, just trying to break this high and low. I think if it breaks, then we can expect a bigger fall, nice fall on USD JPY. We can definitely expect a good fall on USD JPY. Today it made a very big move within a short time, so we can expect some correction or zigzag ranging movements. And silver trying to move up. I think silver also have a lot of chances to move up continuously instead of moving down. Silver have a lot of chances to move up. So silver is trying to move up. Nearly 4,000 points up on last week. Before that it was 5,000 points. I think gold breaks the high. I think silver will also break the high very soon. So silver is going to move up more. US Swiss franc breaks the support and it starts to fall more. USD yen also doing the same. USD Canadian. USD Canadian dollar hits the low, however, it also have chances to move on. USD will fall more, a lot of space. Australia Canadian, I think Australia Canadian have a lot of chances to move up. When it is a kind of movement, I think Australia Canadian can move up continuously because it hits the bottom level and then it's trying to rebound harder. So at least we can expect Australian Canadian dollar to reach around 8850 level, just for retesting the previous broken supporter. The main thing is like after the US market open, we can expect a lot of big movements or big corrections. I think will happen. And pound Canadian also good for buying. Pound Canadian is also good for buy, good to buy. However, it is just trying to make a ranging movement. But in this view, it looks like this. Pound Canadian, Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian is also moving in the same. Euro Canadian. It just hits the resistance, so we need to wait and see. Euro GBP, Euro Pound is moving up continuously. So this week we have a news on Euro pair, so we can expect some correction. We can expect the Euro to get weak temporarily before moving up again. So don't buy or sell at the moment. Just wait. Euro New Zealand is trying to move down. Euro New Zealand will move down for sure because it has a lot of chances to move down. Even if it try to move up, it could move around 1,500, 600 points. But it's a big fall. However, we should have to take it out very consciously. Smaller time frame looks like it was okay. This is a low, near to the low. I think Euro New Zealand might have chance to fall around this price level. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand look like it hits the low, but we cannot expect Pound New Zealand to move up or down continuously. However, still have chances to reach this low. So similar to Pound New Zealand, Euro New Zealand also have a lot of chances to move down continuously. Or we need to be not little. We need to be more careful about that Euro New Zealand. Pound out, trying to consolidate at the support. Yeah, just simply trying to consolidate at the support level. Found out, trying to move down. However, if it reaches this low, we can expect another good rebound, at least another 3 50% rebound is possible from this area, because whenever the market hits candle like this, we can expect at least 50% correction before moving down continuously. I agree that it reaches the major resistance, but still we need to wait and see how far it can move on. Australia Canadian. Australia Canadian breaks the high. If you want to sell, yeah, selling is also good, but a lot of possibility for sell actually. I'm trying to buy, a lot of possibility to sell. That's presented there. Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian hits the bottom, so need to be very careful. Should not buy or sell at the moment. So for buy, it might give some correction, but it also have chances to move down continuously for sell. So it's the higher low it can reach, because the market was falling continuously with a big seller pressure on last week. So that's a big movement. Bitcoin, if you look at the Bitcoin, it's a lower high. I think Bitcoin will break the high very soon. If it breaks the high, then we can expect Bitcoin to reach the higher level. So Bitcoin is like that. USD Euro USD. Gold is all moving in a strong uptrend. If you want to sell gold, yeah, you can sell, but make a very tight stop loss. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of money in a very short time on gold. So far I found only few of the markets have a good opportunity. This is Australian USD, and all of the pairs are standing at the low level, high or low. For example, Australian USD reaches a resistance, Euro USD broke the resistance, and Pound USD heading towards the resistance, USD Canadian dollar standing at the support level, and USD yen, it is also near to the support. So it looks like all the USD pairs reaches the major highs or lows, but in all the pair USD is weaker. It is weak. Okay. So Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc look like it has a good opportunity. Euro Swiss franc. Australian Swiss franc, I'm not sure about that Australian Swiss franc. It also have a lot of chances to move up. Australia, New Zealand. Australia, New Zealand tried to move down because just think that New Zealand dollar is so strong compared to Australian dollar. I do believe that Australia, New Zealand has a lot of chances to fall towards the support. Australia, New Zealand is also good to sell. New Zealand, Euro pound. Euro pound, if you ask me, good to buy. I don't recommend to buy, but yeah, can buy only based on major high or low. So Euro pound might have chances to reach the bottom or until this level. Australian JPY. I'm not sure about Australian JPY, but if I look at Australian JPY, it looks like it is at the high. Just look at the high. It is just consolidating. Not sure about Australian JPY because it hits the low and it tried to consolidate now. So you're not sure about that. Australian JPY. And Swiss franc JPY broke the lower high and reaches the resistance. I think it could, it has chance to move up continuously, not down. It will move up. The thing is, to try to buy now, the stop loss will be so high. CAD JPY tried to move down. CAD JPY tried to move down continuously, which it might reach 600 points. I think CAD JPY might have chance to fall. CAD JPY. CAD JPY looks like it has a lot of chances to fall over. I'm sure that JPY pairs won't move up more. It has a lot of chances to move only down, not up. But Euro JPY try to move up. It is at the resistance. It is consolidating. And one way it looks like JPY at the high low. So peace. Good contract, நல்ல feedback good feedback, very good feedback. அதுதான் லூசு பண்ணேன். நாளைக்கு இந்த மாதிரி போகணும். CAD-GPY, it's like that. And Australian USG is near to the resistance, so we need to wait and see. So all the pairs look like a lot of movements happening over all the pairs. It's difficult to make it out because all the pairs have made a big movements last week, so the stop loss would have to be so big, not even small. So if you look at all the pairs, it looks like